My English is not good. So please help me. Do you feel like your English is not good and you want to speak English properly and better way, but you are stuck? First thing first, let me say this firstly, you are not alone. And yes, I am here to help you. And I'm always say in my every single videos, I'm always with you. So don't get shame. As a beginner, I know how is that difficult to start any journey, right? So don't worry about that. Hey, my name is Tonmoy and I'm here to help you, and in every single day I make video in improving English and personal development and financial advice. It's totally up to you. If you follow that, you will get immense result and you will get massive improvement in your life. But after listening or watching my video, please try to implement. Without implement, you can't get anything. I think what actually you want. So let's move on. Literally, this video we will be break down in three chapter, and this three chapter is very important for every audience. As a beginner, this is too much important. So don't skip the video, rather watching the video till the end and let's dive in. So, chapter number 1. This is very, very important. What is the chapter number 1? You are waiting, right? I know you are waiting. Sorry, I'm just kidding with you. Because every time you are just learning, this is not a right process. Sometimes you get refreshment. So, this is little bit from me. Well, stop saying your English is bad. Rather saying I am improving my English in every single day. As a beginner, when you take any initiative, you are taking any decision to start in your life, this motivation, I think you are improving gradually. This line can help you. But when you say, I can't get enough, I can't start my journey, and I quit, and in this time you say, my English is not good, right? So this sentence can destroy your feelings, can destroy your emotion, and it's totally you kill your energy, right? So stop saying your English is bad, rather saying I am improving my English, because I'm here to help you. So you are not alone. I'm also not alone. I'm also beginner, but I will try to teach you smoothly so that you can learn English frankly or a smooth way. So don't worry about that. Now we move on. Step number 2. I think chapter number 2. Well, in your life, confidence is very important. Now let's take a short story to understand chapter number 2. Learn with confidence. Now think that you are a baby. So when you are baby, you can't running. You can't walk properly. That's right. We are also same. We are walking after 5 or 6 years later. So you just think that how it is difficult to walk in this time. So why you think that you are get something in overnightly, in fastly? Why? Some important things takes time, and you are person. So when it takes time to start, to recover, to grow or increase, it's not that you are failing something, you are losing something. No, you just create a opportunity. You just create a bold that you are so powerful. And when you start your journey, you walk properly. You can learn English proper way. So that's the process. And for that, confidence is very important. in anywhere in your life. When you are learning something, when you are taking any initiative, you are taking any decision in your life, confidence is very important. So how to do it? To learn English with confidence, you read a books in every single day. Right now you don't understand how beneficial this strategy. When you read books you understand in every line how to make more sentence, and you know the word, right? And as a beginner, when you try to make more sentence, you can't memorize a lots of word, but you are reading a books in every single day, you see every words again and again, right? Indoctrinate, like subtle, like massive, like monotonous, like managing. So these are very important words in your daily conversational life. So when you are reading a books, you every single day you see the word, and in this time it's so much easier to make more sentence. It's so much easy process to speak frankly and effective way, like a professional, like a melodious. So I hope you understand and write down your things at a time in every single day. This two a strategy, reading books and write down your thoughts, how you can make more sentence, what you hear in today from YouTube or any social media. Even if you are watching my video, then you just think about my life story, about my video, that the boy, how he can speak English frankly or more confidently. Even he is mistaking something to create sentence, but after that he speak English frankly. So this is the right process. Even if you are mistaking to make more sentence, to speak frankly. So let's start your journey and don't wait, because fluency comes from when you every single day practice your English from that. This is the process. I hope you understand. Now we move on chapter number 3. This is simple but important. So let's move on. Chapter number 3, practice daily. So in this two word, the second word is daily. So daily means you are consistent. Daily means you are disciplined. You are focused more than your thinking ability. Sometimes your practicing English is very important more than grammatical parts. And grammatical part is nothing. Yes, you need grammatical parts when you are senior, when you are pro learner. But as a beginner, if you go in grammatical parts, then it's so difficult to make more sentence, to learn English smooth way. But I always recommend for everyone, please go in your one way, in your one story, what you want, what you like, right? If you like to watch a video, to listen podcast in every single day from YouTube to learn English, then go ahead, carry on. That's can help you to learn English. But if you go at a time in grammatical parts, it's more difficult how you practice your English in every single day. Because when you make more sentences, you think that subject, verb, object, then I use adjective, then I use adverb. So it's so staggering, so capricious, right? So don't go that. If you learn English, I think if you try to learn English with fun or easy way, then go with very simple steps. Here a motivational line for everyone: simple steps equal big result. In the world right now you see a lots of people, a lots of rich business person, they are also taking a small steps at a time in their life. And that's why today they are here. And if you are going like that, then you have to take this kind of negotiation, this kind of initiative to go that. I hope you understand, and I will try to understand you so smoothly and frankly, and write down your thoughts. And obviously, must write. I have a belief in English to speak more and frankly. If you write down this line in my comment section, then someone can get motivation to start their journey. And that's the process to learn English, and that's the happiness for everyone. So be happy, be motivated, be consistent, be frank with yourself, be the best version of yourself. Try speak English in every single day. That can make you fluent. That can make you successful English learner. Hey, are you still there? I get happy from you that you are watching my video, even if you are still watching my video. So it's a very big proud for myself. If you found this video is helpful for everyone, for every audience, then hit the like button, subscribe my channel for more amazing content, for more real conversation. And I think I'm here with you. See you next one. That's all of from me. Don't get fear when you are mistaking, because mistake is a part of your life, because mistake is a proven that you are practicing your English, you are growing your improvement. Love you everyone.